Saskatoon berry jam. Yummy. We're going to talk about Saskatoon berries right now in the kitchen with Troy Isaac from Direct Grocer. How are you?
Good, and yourself?
I'm doing really
Morning.
well. I'm happy to see all the Saskatoon berry products you've got.
Yeah, all from out west. We've got a couple farms we're working with in Ontario. So this year we had some fresh Saskatoon berries for the Ontario market, right from Ontario. That's a picture of them there.
Try?
Sure thing.
Look at that.
It was a slow year this year with all the rain and all the cloud. We didn't get the heat or the sun that we really wanted for a good production, but there was some. We had some, yeah.
But these crops are actually helping farmers out.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. The out west, I'd say about 15 years ago, it was a big deal. All the small farms were having troubles, and you know, for 20 acres of Saskatoon, you can pretty much keep a farm running on 20 acres.
There you go.
Yeah.
And look at all the products you can get from them. You can enjoy them so many different ways. They have such a unique flavor. They're not too sweet, but you know, and they've got way more antioxidants than even blueberries.
Yeah, they do. It's very surprising, you know, and they're typically Canadian. They're right from Canada. They only grow in Canada. They don't go down in southern.
There are berries.
There are berries.
So what are we going to do with them today?
Well, we're going to make a quick French toast for the kids like in the morning. We're just going to use some bread, and we got a plate here somewhere, but we'll just...
I'll find you one.
Yeah, we'll find me a plate, okay. Right on. So we just got some egg. I'm going to use a little vanilla. You can use a little bit of milk in this as well. We'll just throw a little vanilla in. Get that going. There's your French toast part.
Nice.
And we're just going to use some cream cheese.
And so tell us about Direct Grocer.
Well, Direct Grocer was set up as a marketing tool for Last Mountain Berry Farms, which is our family company out of Regina. So we're just going to spread some cream cheese.
Oh, I like that.
And put some Saskatoon berry jam on.
I haven't had French toast like this before.
I'm really surprised, actually, that this isn't more popular. Kids like it. They like PB&J, and this one's real close. So it's we're using a whole wheat bread and just doing typical French toast. Get my hands all dirty.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Now, the one thing about egg, though, is I would recommend using a top so it cooks all the way through, because you don't want your kids with raw egg.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
okay, so cook it like that. Okay, so tell me about some of the products that you've got here.
Well, we started out with just Saskatoon berry jam about 20 years ago, and then we moved. Costco took our product in Loblaws, Sobeys, Safeway, and we moved into strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, apricot. Went into a pie fill, so now we're doing a pie fill as well, Last Mountain Berry Farm Saskatoon pie fill. And we're coming out in August with a new product, a Saskatoon maple syrup. So,
really?
Yeah, we're launching that in August.
And we'll be able to find that around here as well?
I hope so.
Yeah.
Yeah, eventually.
That's wonderful.
With any luck.
Excellent. Now, what is it about the Saskatoon berries that, makes them so easy a crop? I mean, obviously every crop has its troubled times when we got all kinds of crazy weather happening. But but I mean, what is it that makes it so successful? Is it pretty low maintenance? It
is fairly low maintenance. There's pruning involved and fertilizing involved, but they like a lack of water. So they like sandy soil. So it doesn't take really good soil like blueberries take. They are very specific on the soil type.
Right.
And they're really easy to grow. 5 years, you can buy 1-year-old plants or 3-year-old plants, and within 2 years you're starting to get a crop. So we're looking for farmers in Ontario to partner with us to supply us with fresh Saskatoon berries for the market.
Wonderful. Hello, farmers. Saskatoon berries are the way to go. We're going to show you that French toast recipe, and we're also going to make a parfait recipe coming up as well, right?
Yeah, we'll do a parfait as well.
Okay.
We'll just get this guy flipped.
French toast is on the grill for breakfast this morning on A Morning. We've got lots more to thank you very much, Tony. Just getting served up a piece of pie right now in the kitchen. Troy Isaac is with us with Direct Grocer, and they're actually Last Mountain's old-fashioned Saskatoon berry producers. Look at that. All the products that they've got here. So Troy, last time we made a French toast with the Saskatoon berries inside. And now we're going to talk desserts.
Yeah, we'll do a very quick parfait. This takes all of 5 minutes to do. Just get a couple wine tumblers.
Very nice. And you've done a different twist on this too, keeping it a little healthier.
Yeah, sure. We're just using a granola. This one's an almond granola. Saskatoon berries have an almond nutty taste to them. They're part of the apple family, apple rose family.
I didn't know that. That's what you were just saying. So they're part of the apple family.
Yeah.
Tiny little apples.
Yeah, high in antioxidants, higher than blueberries. You can get these products at Costco, Loblaws, Safeway, Sobeys. Yeah, that's
And you're one of the last ones still doing these, right?
Well, we were one of the first ones to go commercial with this product.
Yep.
And we've been in the business 20 years. My parents started it out in Regina, so in our homestead out there. And
What made them start way back when doing it?
I believe, as the story goes, boredom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's grow some berries. See what happens.
Like we have the farm, and then in the winter we don't do livestock. So my mother was started doing Saskatoon berry jams in small little bottles like that. And then which one was the first one? I think Sylvie's or Safeway was the first one, and then the large bottles here started going to Costco, and then the pie fills carried by Loblaws and Sylvie's and Safeway, and yeah.
Do people from Saskatoon even eat any other berry?
I don't know. I don't know.
Is there any need, really?
When I'm doing when I do demos, I've used all my spoons up here. Okay, we're just gonna have to use our hands.
That's okay.
My hands are clean. I just washed them.
I guess, yeah.
Yeah. So this is, you can get these parfaits just like this. Well, not with the Saskatoon, mind you, but these are pretty much the same deal that you can get in any store. And like I say, this has been 5 minutes making these.
Okay.
We got a healthy low-fat yogurt here. So the low-fat yogurt's a little runnier than the full-fat, but you know.
You could also do full whipped cream, like
Sure.
you said.
Yeah, you could do a full whipped cream as well. I was thinking about doing that today, but you know,
Just
going
give
with
people
the
options, yeah.
with the healthy theme, you know, we'll do this one with the yogurt. Just got all kinds of good stuff in it as well.
How pretty is that? And all you need is your granola, your yogurt, and your jar of Saskatoon
Yeah, and
jam.
it's simple and fast, and there's
That's a nice summer dessert.
Yeah.
That speaks summer right there.
Sure does. Pop this in the fridge so it's nice and cool. We got some almonds over here to top it off with.
Now I'm about to dig into this Saskatoon berry pie.
Yeah.
Now you made this with a reduced sugar crust too?
Yeah, we put less sugar, half the amount of sugar, and these are from Ontario berries. There's 2 farms in Ontario that are producing berries right now.
Where are they?
Well, one's south of London, one's north of London. Yeah, and it was. I mean, we had everything this year. We had hail and a late frost, and too much rain, not enough sun. So,
But
yeah.
for most crops, that would totally kill them. But they still did okay.
Well, strawberries took a real beating this year as well. And these berries here, these fresh berries, these are actually a week old, so they carry very well, and they freeze really, really well. Like you freeze these and thaw them, they pretty much come out looking like this.
Oh, so they don't get all mushy like some of them would. Yeah.
Yeah, like a raspberry. If you freeze a raspberry, you almost get a crumble out of it after you take thaw it out. And these ones, they stay just like they were.
Oh my gosh! Look how much I've just dug through this pie. Actually, don't look.
Yeah, they make good pies.
Oh my gosh, that is so
nice,
good.
Nice flavor to them.
Last Mountain, old-fashioned products. You can find them again, as you
Sure.
said, Costco.
Loblaws, Sobeys, Safeway. And if your grocer doesn't have them, just ask them for them. We're listed with all those guys, and they can order it in and get it for you.
And farmers, if you're looking,
Yes, absolutely.
you're looking for good farmers.
We are. Southern Ontario, the Ottawa Valley area as well. Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
This could be another little crop for you.
For the
Take
fresh
one of these
market.
out. Yeah, absolutely. And make beautiful products like this. Saskatoon berries, go out and find them and celebrate them. They're truly Canadian, and they are truly delicious.
They're truly Canadian.
Thank you so much, Troy.
Thank you.
All right, lots to come.